Right, what I'm going to do is just set up a folder that you can share, just using Windows 7. It's pretty straightforward. The libraries you mentioned, you can use those, but you can run into issues if you want to share it with things like Xbox and stuff like that. It's simpler just set up a normal shared folder. It's pretty easy to do. Pop into My Computer, find the drive that you want to share it on. I've got a data drive up here, so we'll just use that. Pop into Outlook, or rather into your data drive that you want to share. Okay, you can either choose a folder you've already got, or you can create a new one. What we'll do is we'll just create a new. It's a doddle. Just right click. Okay, if you get the properties of the folder, alright, you'll see there that you've got a tab for sharing. Alright, the simplest way to do it is just click on the share button there. Alright, but you've also got advanced, which I'll show you in a second. If you just click on share, alright, you get asked who you want to share it with. Now by default it will show your user. Now that's my network login at the moment, but you can add in, for example, everyone, which basically means everyone on the network, or you can specify individuals. If you want to specify individuals, you need to find, in which case you enter the person's name. Alright, so for example, I'm sure I've got a local account. No, I haven't. Okay, so for example, you could type everyone in there, I think. No. Alright, well, ignore what I was saying. If you wanted to share it with everyone, type in everyone, click add. Alright, and then on the right hand side there, you need to specify what permissions they get. I'd be careful about specifying read write to the group everyone, because that basically means that anyone who's on the network can actually get in and access that share. But what we'll do is we'll set it to read write, okay, and then click on share. Okay, that's it, job done. That folder is now shared. And the way to have a look, if you just look at I was about to say the start menu, but it's not called that anymore. Okay, type the computer name, double backslash, and then the computer name, which mine is MAC002. And what you should see is that share that we've just created. It really is that easy. There we go, there's no files in it, so we haven't put any in there. But that's pretty much how it works. It's pretty much the same as you do it with XP. The thing that you're talking about is the libraries thing here on the left. Okay, now what you can do with the libraries, I've got a documents library. Okay, but what I can do to that library is I can actually add different folders. Okay, so for example, I've got the document properties up here, and that currently searches my documents and also public documents. Okay, but what we could do is also include another folder, like for example that pictures folder. Okay, so we'll include that folder. Now what will happen is when you open the library, you'll also see all the stuff that are in pictures as well. Alright, so if we apply that, just click OK. Wait longer. Alright, so now whenever you go to document, okay, I'm not entirely clear what you're trying to do. If you can maybe explain it a little bit more, I might be able to help you a bit more on this. Yeah, so let me know.